Well, today I'm just up the road from Bali Hi Pier. There is a little BMX jam going on, so let's have a walk up and see what it's all about. I don't know how good it's going to be. It's a bit noisy at the moment, so I might have to double the music out because of copyrights, but hey-ho, let's have a wander up and let's have a look, see what it's all about. Running repairs, keeping the tyres blown up. Well, it's good to let all the youngsters enjoy themselves. It's quite a nice little frame. All looks like tungsten weld. Well, it's aluminium, just welded. Very nice little frames. And you notice here, like everything, all the bikes, they're not chained up. The helmets are left with them. It's that type of country. Very trusting. They won't go missing. Well, that was Heatwave Pattaya. the boys on the BMX bikes doing their thing. Not too big, but big enough to keep us occupied for a little while. They'll go on for a little while yet, and there's prizes for the best rides later on, so I'm sure they'll all enjoy themselves. So if you like the content, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you a little bit further down the line.